Hi everyone, this is my first unboxing video of the Simon Says Stamp monthly card kit. I've been a subscriber for a year, a little over a year, but this is my very first unboxing video. I haven't even cut the tape on this yet, so let's do that now. And see all the fabulous goodies inside. Start with the stamp sets. This month you get two stamp sets, a cute Easter theme, lots of cute sentiments. Love the boots, love the rain boots. And the second one has this great ribbon detail. This little gingham check. Smaller boots, another really cute set. Not a lot of nice sentiments. I can't talk today. So they'll be fun to work with. And of course you get the little pom-poms. That'll look really cute on the little bunny tails. You get two ink cubes, Wisteria and Hollyhock, and this is the hybrid inks. The lollipop that I have to put away for my grandson because he checks for my stash candies that come in my crafty packages. A Nuvo shimmer pen. I don't have this one. I do have the Spectrum Noir. And the Wink of Stella. So it'll be interesting to see how different the Nuvo pen is compared to the two that I normally use. So we have that. We have 3 envelopes that coordinate with the inks that you receive. And this one is really cool. I don't know if you could see that. It's actually a wood tone. So that's pretty cool. We have patterned paper. And I'll just flip through these real quick. I love this. And that goes really cute with the boots from both of the stamp sets. More roses and wood grain. I love this. These are cute little tags. And the strips that you could use the sentiments on your card or use them as accent strips. These are pre-cut cardstock. Pre-scored 3 in cream. And then you can't live without Simon cardstock in green apple, leaf green, cotton candy, Nina 110 pound solar light, and Nina's Desert Storm. That is what's included in this month's Simon Says Stamp card kit. I almost forgot. I love these stickers. I almost forgot the stickers. You get 2 sheets of stickers. One in a cream color background and one in a white that coordinate with everything else in your kit. So I hope to see you back soon for another video where I'll be showing you the first card that I make with this kit. See you soon. Bye.